In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy games on PlayStation using Apple Pay. With the latest updates to iOS and PlayStation, your phone is now the fastest way to grab your next game. Once you are on the game page, select the price button to begin the checkout process. Choose your preferred edition, such as the standard edition, and then click Order and Pay. To change the payment method, click on the three dots next to the Order and Pay button and select Change Payment Method. Scroll to the right and click Pay with Apple Pay. Now click Confirm and then select Order and Pay. A QR code will appear on your screen. Use your iPhone or iPad camera to scan this code. A prompt will appear on your device. Tap the Apple Pay button. On your mobile device, confirm the payment details and double-click the side button to authorize the transaction. It's really as simple as that. Let me know in the comments section if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more PlayStation tips.